How to create a recipes website in Wix. So starting a food blog or a digital cookbook, Wix has transformed from a simple drag and drop builder into a high-powered engine for foodies. You no longer have to manually type out every ingredient. With integrated AI and dedicated recipe schema, your site can rank on the first page of Google with rich recipe cards. And today I'm showing you the process to build a professional recipe site that looks as good as it tastes. So first, you need to determine the right foundation. You have two main options: the blog method, which is best for storytelling, and the Wix blog. Then install the blog recipes app from App Market. And the pro method. If you have hundreds of recipes, use the Wix CMS. This lets you create a database of ingredients and cook times, automatically generating a unique, perfectly formatted page for every single recipe you add. And now let's build a card. Inside the blog recipes app, click Create Recipe. So you open your Wix's blog dashboard, and then you can just actually paste a URL or a rough text block and let the built-in AI parse out the ingredients and instructions for you. So in here in AI, you can just explain what you want. And now in terms of the ingredients, use the dual measurement toggle so your readers can switch between metric and imperial units, and also don't skip the nutrition tab. Enter the calories and macros. Wix uses this data to create the rich snippets that show up in Google search results. And also, if you want your recipes to appear at the top of Google with those pretty photos and star ratings, you need schema markup. So the Wix blog recipes app handles that automatically. It embeds the JSON LD code into your page so Google, Gemini, and ChatGPT can read your cooking time, rating, and ingredients. And the recipe site is also useless if people can't find diner. So use the category and tag features to organize by diet or meal type. In the editor, add a search bar specifically for your recipes, and you can even add a filter sidebar where users can check boxes for under 30 minutes or 5 ingredients or less. This keeps users on your site longer, which tells Google your content is high value. So as you can see, this is, if it's a blog, you can use AI to create a site. It will look something like this. Alright, and this is how you build a world-class recipe hub on Wix. If this helps you get your first dish online today, hit subscribe and like the video.